So now this is a very important herb which is used all over the world, which is the black pepper. So the black pepper is one of the important ingredient in our body because the property of the black pepper is, firstly, it's improves the digestion and it cures 90% of our gastrointestinal disorders. You can take from nausea, and if you're having a problem with phlegm, so if you are having problem with a lot of your sometimes when you are taste buds, so the property in the black pepper part used is the seed, and the property and the action is the rasa, or the taste is the katu. The katu means it's bitter. So the virya is the ushna, heating. Vipaka means is madhur. So when it's post-digestive, the vipaka is the post-digestive, it becomes sweet. So it's a very good ingredient in food, adds aroma to the food, stimulates taste buds, and thus help in secretion from the glands. There's a recently research done in I think in Pennsylvania University. Then people who go for KFC or any of those fast foods or chips or anything, if they start adding a little bit of the cracked pepper on the top, they will 50% they will reduce the absorption of the trans fatty acids. And to enhance the property of the turmeric, black pepper has been